Hi, and welcome to another episode of Boozing with Boomers. I'm Dave, and I've been on a quest to make a great balanced cocktail, so please hit subscribe so we can go on this journey together. During Sober October, I played with different simple syrups and ingredients on how to make mocktails. And what I'd like to share with you today is the spiced coffee mocktail, which we can use to celebrate National Espresso Day, which is today. We're going to take coffee, and I use the cold brew coffee because it's a richer, and actually I found a product that has concentrated, so it'll give you that nice kick. And this is a great after dinner cocktail. Instead of brewing coffee, you could make these nice cocktails for your guests. And it's very easy to make several at once. So we'll kind of walk through the ingredients. And it comes across very elegant. So the first thing we're going to do is add the coffee. So 3 ounces of cold brew. You can also make cold brew at home by steeping coffee in a jar for a few days. Again, this is more for convenience of the holidays. I wanted to have everything ready so I can make these cocktails for my family. And so we're going to go 3 ounces of the cold brew to 3/4 of an ounce of cinnamon simple syrup. And then 3 dashes of the Aztec chocolate bitters by Fee Brothers. And what I'll point out here is this is optional. So if you want this to be a pure mocktail, you don't have to add the bitters. I just found out that they added just another layer of flavor in your palate as you're drinking this cocktail. And the other thing I'll point out is these bitters in particular are only 2.55% alcohol, but again, it is optional. And the other thing we're going to do, I'm not going to put ice in this. And this is actually what's called a dry shake. So if you ever read, there are cocktails, especially cocktails with egg white, you'll hear about a dry shake, and all a dry shake is it's a shake without ice. And there are cocktails that you would do this, then add the ice, and there are cocktails you would do the ice first, then take the ice out and shake it again. But we're going to do a simple shake with this. And what I like about this is not only does this stir up or shake up the ingredients, but it actually, by injecting the air into this mocktail, it will create a foamy head, which is very elegant and nice. So I will now shake. And what's nice about a dry shake is I don't even have to worry about the strainer. And what you notice when we pour it in, the last part of it is this wonderful foam. Whoop. And then the last piece is I take some of the roasted beans that actually I make coffee with, and you just pop in 4 on the top. Makes a great cocktail, looks like a cocktail, but it's really a mocktail. You get the strong flavor of the coffee. Cinnamon simple syrup just adds a really nice flavor to coffee. And the Aztec bitters, the chocolate bitters, just give you a little bit of chocolate at the end. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe so we can go on this journey with Boozing with Boomers together. Cheers.